Hey viewers, today on Will's Table, I'll be showing you how to prepare buffalo wings. So relax and stay tuned. So guys, when it comes to preparing the buffalo wings, it's quite a simple recipe, and the only thing that you require to have the chicken wings. We have the all-purpose flour. I just pre-mixed it with the salt and the black pepper, and also you have the option, you can be able to mix other spices if you want. And we have also the egg, which is beaten. So the procedure, what we'll be doing is we'll be taking the chicken wings, we dip it in the egg and the flour, then we put it there. So the reason why we are dipping the chicken in the egg is just for it to be able to hold the flour. So this is it. You have to repeat the procedure again and again and again until you finish coating the chicken. So already the viewers, already the chicken has already been coated with the all-purpose flour, and as I said earlier, you can be able to mix the all-purpose flour with, if you want, with chili, any flavor of your choice. So it's just optional. So now the next step is just going to take the pan, put oil and make it very hot so I can be able to start frying. And another thing, you also have an option if you want to bake it. Also, you can be able to bake